Yo, what's up guys? This is your boy Yousuf and welcome to my very first YouTube video. Seriously guys, this is my launch video and I'm so hyped to be here. I'm getting a bit nervous at this stage, to be honest, but really I'm about sharing some skincare adventures. Any kind of support you can give to this budding channel would mean a lot to me. Let's grow this thing, shall we? Now, on to today's journey. We are leaving the sunshine behind and going to the tundra. Almost. We are diving into the icy Dari Mooch Ice Blast Face Wash depths. Is this gonna be a refreshing blast or face freezing disaster? Let's crack this open and find out. Alright, so chill there, Mr. Impatient, pointing to the camera. We start at point 1 and look at this packaging alone. So, extra with the whole Winter Wonderland theme.
A few moments later.
That pops up and visually punches into the camera.
2 hours later.
Welcome card has been through some things. Trying to look like a funny polar bear.
2,000 years later.
Hopefully this face wash is good, because if not, then
1 eternity later.
that welcome card is going to be haunting my dreams. Here it is, the product we all have been waiting for. Dari Mooch Ice Blast Face Wash. Just look at the cool, icy blue tube. It is already giving me chills when I hold it. They have even used a plastic cap that looks really fancy.
Control.
Dari Mooch is really going all the way on this one. Wow, that is nice. It seems that there is a welcome card inside. And then these wooden fibers. On the card, there is something about enhanced exfoliation, or so maybe these wooden fibers are part of the deal. We have to look that one up. For the science-minded, let's take a very quick dip into what goes into all this. Menthol extract is a no-brainer for that cooling feeling. And if glacier water has some minerals that are supposed to good for your skin, well, they're in there. This Arctic Blast complex sure sounds good. But only the chemist head and shoulders know for the sure actual formula is. Alright, back to these mysterious wooden fibers. There could be that extra protection. Other than that, it's anybody's guess. Really, if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments. So, my overall impression is that the Dari Mooch Ice Blast Face Wash does look interesting. Its packaging is cool, and at least for everyone who loves a refreshing clean, the ingredients sound really good. Mystery fibers and their functioning just make it even more interesting. Hopefully, Dari Mooch will describe them soon. So, that was our first look at Dari Mooch Ice Blast Face Wash. Would you guys like a follow-up video if I could find someone brave to put it on their face?
Got him! Got him!
Do let me know in the comments below, and that like and subscribe button is already penciled in. For more skincare adventures, peace out. Enjoy the video and watch till the end.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार। मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे 2 मिलियन लाइक्स चाहिए, कैसे ना कैसे करके मुझे चाहिए। इतना जिला मैं कभी नहीं होऊंगा अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में जितना इसमें जिलाऊं, मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए। तो लाइक मारो, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।